Alright guys, so today what I'm going to be doing is installing this overflow, coolant overflow reservoir relocator kind of thing. It just gets rid of this bulky, ugly, old one, and I've had this for so long, and this is like 2 MIATAs ago, literally. And this is the first time I'm going to be putting it on, just because there's so much done in the engine bay. There's like nothing really stock in there besides like the engine. But I mean, like, there's nothing like ugly like the washer bottle fluid and stuff like that. So, you know what I mean. Anyways, so I wanted to get rid of it, and this is the cheapest and easiest option to do it. Alright guys, so I already made up some brackets and painted them. All you need is just some really long piece of steel, or just like something thin like this, and then just grab a vise and you can just put it in there, just tighten it, bend it, you know, turn it around, bend it back, and then you'll come up with this. I did have to weld this piece together. I used what they use for U-bolts, like the washers for U-bolts. That's what I used here because that's what I had. But I wouldn't recommend using them just because they probably won't be long enough. And if you don't have a welder, then you won't be able to weld it like I did. So it might be just easier just to just grab a solid piece of steel. But yeah, all I did was bend them back and measure them up so that these can sit right here on these guys, like so. Well, this one will go on the bottom, but you get what I mean. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and attach these brackets right now. So this one I'm gonna put over here. Now the bolts I'm using are the same bolts that are for the radiator shroud. I don't have AC, so I didn't need this one. You don't really want to run this AC or this fan unless you really need to, but I don't think you ever will. You'll just end up blocking more air than you'll be doing good. Alright, so I got those brackets mounted up. So what I'm going to do real quick is so what I did is I actually kind of wacky rigged this kind of. I put a little tube on here because this one's a little too thick, and then I'm just going to zip tie them together. Should be good enough. It'll do what it's got to do, that's for sure. Alright. So now I'm gonna bring it down in here and just tube a little bit. There we go. And boom. So before I mount that, I have some Loctite here. Now this thing's all seized up, so what I have to do is this right here. Whoop. Too much, but that's alright. And then I'm going to take the 2 bolts that I'm using. Whoa. Oh, that kind of sucks. And just dip them in there. You don't need too much. You just want to get the threads. See what I mean? And I'm just going to put those to the side real quick. And then I'm going to just mount this top one here. So that you guys can see. Yeah, try not to get your fingers all over the Loctite like I just did. So yeah, I'm gonna go get that second one in. Alright guys, so it's in there pretty nicely. I'm gonna grab some coolant. This is just 50-50. And I'm gonna pour it right in, probably miss. know if you guys can see that, but in there's a little, right here, there's a little overflow. I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, so that's now all in. Alright guys, so the last step is take this guy out. It's pretty easy, especially if you have one of these impacts. If not, it's just a number 10. Ooh. Much better. Damn, that looks good. Damn. Just a little dirty. Looks so much better without it. And you can't even tell that it's there. It just looks like another knob or something. Isn't that crazy? It looks so much better without it there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.